Hey shoppers, it's Amy and I'm with the all-new City Run by Heybike. This is absolutely incredible. It is a stylish, sophisticated, and chic bike, but it is not just a regular bike, it's actually an electric bike. You'll notice right here, this is where your battery goes. This is going to help you with pedal assist, and it is 500 watts of power, which means you can go up to 55 miles on a single charge. This is going to help you go really fast with minimal effort. This can go up to 21 miles per hour, pretty much effortlessly. Don't worry, if you do want to get some exercise, you can turn down the pedal assist and it can be all you, or you can turn up the assist and just coast right along going super fast. This bike is made especially for commuters. Nothing's gonna slow you down, not even traffic. And this is perfect for people that maybe are delivery drivers, or you're delivering food for Uber Eats, something like that, because there are a ton of accessories that hook onto the back and the front of this to help you deliver your packages, deliver your food, things like that, or just help you get to the office quickly. It's super comfortable. This seat is luxurious. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is so comfortable. These handlebars also super comfortable. You even have premium alloy, lots of grip to where you can get started quickly and your foot stays on the pedal nice and secure. It has a beautiful display that's going to tell you your miles per hour, the distance you've gone, the amount of charge, your time, all of those nice things. You also have all of your modes and functions over here, like turning your headlights on, changing your function up and down for your pedal assist. You even have a cruise control. You're gonna have a blinker on and off right there. Horn. A pretty authoritative horn right there. And you even have headlights. That's right, headlights on and off, gonna keep you nice and safe. And of course, you have those brake lights in the back. Speaking of the brakes, these brakes are a huge improvement on most any bike I have ever seen, because they are actual hydraulic brakes. Brakes as if you would have in a normal vehicle. That means your stopping time is going to be so much faster than your typical bike. You also have gears that you're able to select right up here. And you know what? Pretty much the gold standard of bicycles is having a 6-speed in gears. This has 7, so even more gears to ensure that you can make it up every single hill. Between the gears that you're able to choose, plus that pedal assist, this is going to make any commute, no matter the type of terrain or the distance, completely easier, ready to go. You've got your water bottle holder right here. Again, check out the website because there's going to be a lot of accessories for carrying stuff on the front and back if you need to do that. You have these awesome wheels. They are great for streets, but they're also great for a little bit of off-roading. No matter the terrain, they are going to get you there. Speaking of how smart this bike is, you are actually going to have an app that you can hook it up with. The app will tell you everything about your route, your time, the different trips that you've taken, pretty much everything that you would expect, but there's also some really cool unexpected features as well. For example, you can lock your bike. That's right, you can lock the bike from your app. That means no one else can take off on it. You can also track different users. So say this is a shared bike for your apartment or shared bike for your office couriers. You can log different users in the bike. You can also share your itinerary. So say you are making a delivery, you can share that itinerary with the person that you are couriering for. You can also share your itinerary with your family, your friends, your loved ones, to make sure that you arrive safely. The shocks and suspension on this are absolutely fantastic, and it is highly adjustable. This is gonna fit everyone. It's gonna fit every personality, and don't sleep on the colors. I chose the green, I absolutely love it, but there's also a black and orange on the website. I love Heybike. I love this City Run model, and I think you guys will too. It is absolutely fantastic. Definitely check this one out. You are gonna be so happy you did.